Section 6.0 Electronic Communication. So, from the pre-release, we see that Aqua Inflatables needs to use online communication methods between individuals and groups, including appropriate methods for one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many communications, and also the use of email, including multiple recipients and attachments. And that's what we're going to be looking at in this section. Now, first of all, this concept of one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many communications. So this is a little chart that I have come up with just to kind of illustrate what we mean by that. In one-to-one communications, we have one person contacting one other person, or one organization contacting one organization. And this is just between two people, two different organizations, and there isn't any other communication happening between anyone else. In one-to-many, we have one person contacting and communicating with multiple recipients, so one-to-many, one person to many. And here we have many-to-many, so we have many people talking to many different types of other people. And we have different methods of communicating. Fax, VoIP or VoIP, SMS, instant messaging, teleconferencing, email, and intranet. And Aqua Inflatables will use a variety of these different types of technology to be able to communicate with their business. Now, if we have a look over here, we've got a kind of little map that I came up with of what Aqua Inflatables business would kind of look like, how they're mapped around the world. So they might have a headquarters, Aqua Inflatables HQ or headquarters, located near London. Then they might have some teleworking operators. In this case, maybe some customer support people working in Wales and maybe even Scotland. And this is quite a common setup for a small to medium manufacturing business in the United Kingdom, is to have a main headquarters and then to have teleworking operators as your customer support. So they'll need to have different methods of communication to be able to contact and be in constant communication with their operators and their teleworkers. Then we have their other way that they need to make sure they're in communication, and that's with their manufacturing base in China. We already know from the pre-release that they will be doing their manufacturing mainly in China. So they'll need to look at different technology to be able to facilitate the communication and the sort of collaboration with their Chinese factories. So over this section, the section 6, we're going to look at all different technologies and how Aqua Inflatables might use them to communicate with the various aspects of their business.